let's do first something a little different for me. I had the people with Bootea contact me and ask me if I would like to try their tea and see what I thought about it, do a little review. First I tried the 14-day detox in just daytime tea. Hated the taste of this, and it tastes like licorice, and I love black licorice, but I could not. I forced myself. I drank it for 2 weeks. It's all gone. I drank it all. I didn't like it at all. I lost 0 weight. I tried no other method. I didn't change my eating whatsoever. Didn't lose any weight. So then I checked back in with them and said, hey, I didn't like that stuff. I didn't lose anything. Couldn't really tell any difference. So they sent me the fruity detox. This I liked. You can get it at Bootea.com, and I'll put a link below. The fruit I liked. It tasted great. This is what they look like. Just, you know, tea bags. I completely changed my diet. I have given up carbs. I have given up, I'm not doing keto or anything. I just have given up sugar entirely. This I could drink without sugar. So I drank it 1 time a day in the mornings, every day for 2 weeks. And I've lost 4 pounds. Now, is it because of the tea? I don't know, but it does help me whenever I'm hungry and I can just drink some hot tea. And now with this, make sure if you're gonna do this, make sure you're not drinking it too late in the day, because this stuff does get rid of the water. It does help you get rid of all your excess water gained weight. So whether or not that's what I've lost, maybe, I don't know, but don't drink it in the night, or you're gonna be getting up and all night long going to the bathroom. And they also sent me the 7 of the bedtime tea bags. I haven't tried those yet. I saw some reviews that said that it caused a little bit of diarrhea, so I am going to try that. I just haven't done these yet. But that's it for that. And no, it's not a paid promotion or anything. They just asked me if I wanted to try it for free and give a little review, so there you go. I got some nail stickers from Moyra, and I wanted to try it over a white base and over just clear to see if there was any difference. So you'll see that in just a minute. But first, let's see what I'm going to be giving away in this video. All right, it's a lot, okay? Just remember, I've used the money that I've made from you guys using my code, Guyleen325, all in caps, at Maniology. So anytime you buy from Maniology, make sure you use my code, get 10% off. And I make a little commission, and I'm gonna keep giving back to you guys. First up, a couple of Beauty Big Bang polishes. This pretty pink stamping polish, and my favorite blue that they have, 001, it's a chrome blue. A complete set of no smudge top coat, white and black stamping polishes from Maniology. The coveted cotton claw, I actually have ordered a pineapple claw. Actually, I ordered 2, so I'm going to be giving one of those away too. Not in this giveaway, but that will be coming up. One of my favorite stampers, the ones they first came out with, the clear ones, and it has an extra head. They are a little firm, but I love these. You do not have to prime these stampers, okay? These nail decorations, they're like the caviar in all these different colors and the cute little bottles. These are so cute. I almost don't want to give these away though, but I am. Move on, Guyleen. Get over it. I want them. All right. I love your accent plate, M053. I tried to get the French manicure, the pardon my French, but they are sold out of it, and they have not got it back. If before I get this out, it restocks and I can order it, I will get it and include that also. The Claristelle MO35 landscape plate. The MO12, it is really pretty. It just has some really cool backgrounds and just some pretty images on it. And also I am giving up my Hanny's Manny's that has the unicorns and the little bears and the cute little kitties, Penny, and more backgrounds that you can use. Super cute plate. And I also have four other, I guess, other plates that are just older plates that are really cute. I don't have anything with mushrooms on it either, I don't think. This one I really love. This is an oldie but a goodie for sure. It has constellations and just a lot of cool images on it. All right, is that enough for you? No? Too bad. Move along. All right, let's get on with the mani. So these nail stickers that like cover your whole nail, I know I tried them years ago and I've got several of them and people have sent them to me and I bought some, but I've never really tried them except for maybe a little bit of like cutting out a flower or something. So let's try these. These are from Moyra. I've had them forever and I've just never used them. And they're in little squares, so they should fit my nails. Even the little, I mean, they're not very big, so. And I thought I would try them also, so I put a white base down here, and these are just necky. So we'll see how opaque they are over naked nails. And then I was looking through all of them, deciding what I wanted to use. And then I come across this one, and I know one of my friends sent me this, and I don't remember who. I'm sorry. Tell me down below. But I just saw this. Just stick them onto your finger and faux nails. I don't have any faux nails. Alright, so I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to do a couple of nails, and then I'll finish them off camera. Cut them apart. I'm not sure if, oh, it is just the edge. So right there is the edge of it. So you don't have to worry about cutting out a whole lot. Although I am, I think, going to round off the corners. Alright, so you're going to take off the plastic on the top part. And I hope you guys are okay with the fact that I really don't know what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to learn along with you. You're going to learn along with me, one or the other. I'm just going to take some water, and you know, you can dip them in water if you want to. I think that's a big pain in the butt. So I'm just going to put a little water on my mat here and set that on top of there. And instead of using tweezers, just like any water slide, I am going to use my stamper to pick it up instead of trying to place it with tweezers. Alright, I'm just let that sit for a second and dry. Alright, I've got my cleanup brush dipped in a little bit of acetone, and I'm just going to go in and clean up and hopefully seal down and dissolve the edges of this. I'm just wrapping it around my tip. That looks really cute. Okay, well, we're watching me just do the same thing over and over again here. So the people I'm gonna have you go check out today are Jenny with Lasheni 21 Nails, and she does the cutest things, and it's always very well described and instructional how to do it. She is really good at what she does. She also does her channel in Spanish and English, so that's really awesome. I like to listen to her do it in Spanish just because I don't understand it, but I like to hear her voice and her accent, so that's really cool. And then Frances with Dolphin Chick Nails. She, I don't think, has done any videos here in the last couple weeks. I know she's been really busy with her job, and you know, they both have kids, and you know, they do such amazing work, and they have to take care of a family too, and they do all this stuff. And Frances is a single mother and works full-time, which I don't know how they do it. I don't know how single mothers do it. I know when I was a single mother, there's no way I would have been able to do a YouTube channel too. It's too much work. So I want you to go check out those ladies, and since there's two of them, I am going to let them enter also, since they don't know each other's numbers. But if one of them, I guess, comments on the number that is their number, they all have to move on. But that way everybody gets a chance to enter. And I will have one international. Please just tell me in the comments whose channel you went and visited, what video you gave a thumbs up to of theirs. Tell me if you are US or international. And well, you have to be subscribed to me and like this video, and you'll be entered. Okay, international prize is going to be $30 in Maniology gift card, a code. Okay, all right, I guess that's it. Also, I'll put complete instructions down in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Maniology smudge free. I know some people say this still smudges on them. If you're using black over white or black at all, and it's kind of a matte, like Maniology's, that's not it. There it is, the straight up black. It stamps fantastic, but it smears like crazy because it's a matte. I hate that stuff. I use it when I have to, but I really don't like the black. I would much rather use the Brave Ziva nail polish stamping polish, but black. Sometimes it won't pick up on some images, or I don't know. Sometimes it's fantastic, and sometimes that's all of them. I mean, what I've found anyway, different formulas stamp different on different plates. I don't know, it's just weird. All right, stick that on there. Now you want to dab your acetone off, don't flood it. Just want a tiny bit, just like if it was stamping polish. It's definitely opaque, and you absolutely don't have to polish first. It says you need to put a base down, so I'm guessing just even a clear base coat would be fine. I'm impressed. Can't believe I haven't tried these before. Okay, I got them all finished, and they look amazing. They're just so pretty. Thank you, Penny, for your input. I don't think that's how you use a golf club. No. No, you don't hit the dogs. even though he did that to your other club. You're a bad dog, Augie. He ate that. Like, ate it. He swallowed it. You're a freaking weirdo. What are you two doing? Yeah, you tell him. Back up. I don't want you getting hurt in the melee. The gatekeeper. Ah. Ah. You stay in there. You stay in there. Oh. Not my shoes. Ho ho. Ho ho. Now he's taking the other one and trying to hide in his tent to eat my shoe. Give me my shoe. Give me that. He knows I can't yell at him or get him. Because I'm holding a sleeping baby. Bad dog. Stop. Penny's a good girl. Walk away.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.